Hello everybody, we're back again. This is Anthony, Annette, and John Messina. So today we got 4 of these Super Mario Series 3 minifigures. Got this because I just got some Mario people and I mean, why not? They're $5 each. They look pretty cool. It's 24 pieces for $5. That's for a smaller set. That's pretty good. It says you need scissors. Well, that's bad. We don't have scissors. I'm gonna tear it down the middle. Yes,
tear it down the middle.
I'm doing it.
I'll tear another one down.
No. There, we got it. Don't tear another one down the middle. Okay, wait.
Oh, I know who it is. It's this guy. Oh, is it Mario? Or maybe it's this guy. No, it's this. It's the little polka dot headed mushroom.
Oh my gosh, this is so
No, it's
cool.
Puncher. It's Puncher.
It's like a puncher guy. Oh, that's cool. Oh wait, no, wrong guy. Okay, we need these instructions. We do need scissors. I don't want to work the instructions. There we go. I got it. I'm the best. Okay, so his name is Scuttlebug.
Wait.
Okay, Scuttlebug. Oh wow, there's so much more than what it says on the box. This is great. Look at that, Emmett. That's a lot of things.
Okay, I'll help. Yeah, it just shows the minifig part.
Yeah,
show all
dude,
the
this is amazing. This is actually really cool.
Oh, that's what that.
Build this.
I think it's gonna be cool. I misjudged it. Awesome.
Okay, Emmett, you can build this.
I'll go try.
Me whole thing?
You build the.
You go to next.
I go to the next one. He's excited now. He's excited now. See, I told you he would like it. I told you he would like it. I so knew he's gonna like it. Okay. You're gonna start building now. Okay, my turn. Let's hope I got another good one. The one that I want the most is the guy named Amp. That's the guy that I want the most.
Who's Amp? Who's Amp?
This guy actually doesn't have very many pieces. You got lucky. This one, it says it has 24 pieces, but I don't believe that. That is so cheap.
Who's your dad?
Who's Amp? Who's Amp?
Amp is that guy, and he's so cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to open the next one, everybody. Oh. It doesn't look like it's a duplicate. If I get a duplicate, I'm actually going to be really angry. So his name is Boo. Okay, now I get to build this one. Guys, I didn't get Amp. Oh, I got the zombie turtle guy.
Yeah, you didn't. Even though you didn't get Amp, you still got.
Hey, I'm so happy.
I have 2 zombie turtle pieces.
I knew it.
Leg pieces.
That's weird. Does he really need 2 of them? Or maybe it's an extra piece.
No. 4 legs.
Does he need 4 legs though? He does. He does have 4 legs. His name is Bony Beetle. Oh, that's so cute. But I still want Amp. Oh my gosh. Amp is so cool.
You don't have to buy pieces. We need to buy them. We have to buy until we get Amp. No,
we're not going to. Just go. Okay, so we got 4 people here.
He goes flappy, 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 crash.
Flappy, flappy, crash, crash, flappy, flappy, crash, crash. That's pretty cool. So, all of these ones you're supposed to destroy. They've all got like the turtle things. You're supposed to destroy them. But then, yeah, you're supposed to destroy the happy little cloud too. You try to, you killers, cold-blooded killers. Like this guy, I'm pretty sure that like throws fire at you or something like that.